Rolls-Royce, a renowned luxury car manufacturer, is introducing the all-new fully electric Spectre as its first step towards complete electrification. The company plans to sell only electric vehicles, EVs, by 2030, eliminating its gas-powered lineup. The Spectre is available as a single trim level with a base manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, of $420,000, not including the destination charge. However, most customers will customize their new Spectre with a range of available colors, materials, and special features. Rolls-Royce representatives suggest that the average price for a Spectre will be closer to $500,000. During a trip to Napa, California, the author drove a 2024 Spectre painted in a two-tone imperial jade with black diamond as the contrasting color. The vehicle comes with a long list of standard equipment, including heated and ventilated seats with massage in black and forge yellow leather, lambswool floor mats in forge yellow, starlight headliner and doors, dynamic bespoke clock, bespoke audio, and 23-inch part polished wheels. The total MSRP for this vehicle was $559,650, including the $2,750 destination charge. The Spectre is available for order today, but due to high interest, Rolls-Royce says it will deliver a Spectre ordered today in about 2 years. With unmistakably Rolls-Royce appearance, the 2024 Spectre is a commanding two-door Grand Touring coupe. Specifically for the Spectre, Rolls developed the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament and the classic Pantheon grille, both reworked for maximum aero performance. Rolls claims that the Spectre is the most aerodynamic car the firm has ever made, thanks to its long, low hood and smooth, flowing lines. The Spectre is a large coupe, despite only having 2 doors. At about 18 feet in length, this new vehicle is marginally longer than the Rolls-Royce Ghost, which has 4 doors. The rear hinge, nearly 5-foot-long coach doors on the Spectre are designed to meet the proper proportions. The 23-inch wheels finish off the appearance. The Spectre has a power assist mechanism to counteract the weight of the large doors, making them easier to open. Using the controls on the central panel, you can shut the door after entering. When the driver applies the brake to initiate the car, the left door closes automatically. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is a stunning vehicle with a stunning interior featuring leather, open-pore wood trim, and the aroma of leather. The starlight headliner and starfield doors add an extra touch of ambient lighting to the interior and rear seats. The dashboard features the Spectre name illuminated, surrounded by over 5,500 stars, making it look fantastic at night. The dashboard features round chrome vents with classic push-button open/close switches, while the updated infotainment system has a digital driver's display behind a pane of glass. Rolls-Royce designed the seats specifically for the Spectre, providing excellent comfort and support, heating, cooling, and multiple massaging functions. The lambswool floor mats are soft enough to be enjoyed without removing shoes. The rear seats are spacious and comfortable, with wide door openings and seat backs wrapping around the sides. The Spectre has plenty of room for luggage in the trunk, making it easy to load and unload. In case of rain, the Spectre comes with custom umbrellas designed to match the vehicle's interior, which can be easily pulled out by front seat passengers. The cabin offers space for 4 with bucket seats in both rows. Rolls-Royce has added several unique design features to the Spectre, such as the Starry Night headliner and tiny LED lights surrounding the armrests. The Spectre should be available with an endless array of personalization options and material choices, offering a unique and stylish experience for its customers. Rolls-Royce has introduced a new infotainment system for the Spectre, which offers an updated user interface with large icons and panels. The system also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless connectivity. Primary interaction with the infotainment system is via the touchscreen display or the controller in the center console, with static shortcuts on the left side of the screen for quick access to audio, navigation, and communications. The Spectre also offers voice interaction with Eleanor, the Rolls-Royce personal digital assistant, which can complete tasks such as finding a charging station, tuning the radio, or setting a navigation destination. The Spectre comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning with active steering assistance. Additionally, Rolls-Royce offers an integrated camera system that records footage, GPS, speed, and other data in case of an accident. Adaptive cruise control, featuring steering and lane guide assistance, is available, working at speeds up to 130 miles per hour and allowing hands-free driving up to 36 miles per hour in certain conditions. All Spectres will come with a dual-motor electric powertrain with 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. The Spectre's brand ethos is more about quiet cruising than mind-bending performance, with adaptive suspension and sound-deadening material to maintain a whisper-quiet cabin. On the road, the Spectre is so silent that ears pick up almost no sounds until 80 miles per hour and wind starts to penetrate the tube-like cabin. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is a fully electric vehicle that features a 255 horsepower motor for the front wheels and 483 ap for the rear, resulting in a total output of 584 ap and 664 pound-feet of torque. The Spectre's proprietary architecture of luxury is built into the frame, allowing for a lower center of gravity and a lower floor in the cabin for more spacious surroundings. The 1,500-pound battery functions as sound deadening, further contributing to the tranquil cabin. Despite its weight of over 3 tons, the Spectre can move from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, with an eventual top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Spectre's cabin remains completely silent, with virtually no road or wind noise, even at highway speeds, until turning on the 1,400-watt bespoke audio system. The Spectre doesn't yet have EPA fuel economy ratings, but it can travel an estimated 260 miles with its 102 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery. The Spectre also uses Rolls-Royce's unique planar suspension system, which delivers what the company calls its magic carpet ride. This system uses data from GPS navigation and multiple sensors to provide an impressively smooth ride, even on less than stellar road surfaces. The Spectre also improves handling by firming the suspension and setting up 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering for optimal performance. It automatically disconnects its anti-roll bars on straight roads, helping the wheels absorb bumps on rough roads and reconnecting when the car detects an upcoming corner to keep it flat on twisty roads. The Spectre offers one-pedal driving by selecting maximum regeneration from the brakes, which returns charge to the battery while slowing the vehicle to a complete stop. With practice, driving around town is possible without ever having to press the brake pedal. Rolls-Royce is introducing all-electric cars, which offer luxurious quietness and don't require 500 miles of range. Most Rolls-Royces are not daily drivers, but are used for short trips. A survey of customers who ordered the Spectre revealed that 40% were new to the brand and were waiting for an EV before buying one. Some owners argued that they wanted something more eco-friendly, but others were excited about the potential for electric cars in big global cities. The Spectre is a one-of-a-kind vehicle with extreme luxury, customization, and a unique style. It features a sleek look, spacious cabin, and powerful, quiet, and efficient drive system.